Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shimon by Sparkle. First of all, thank you for subscribing my channel. Those who are new, please subscribe if you have not done it yet. So festive season is here, but before going to any festive look, I think a little extra skincare is required other than regular CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. Using a face mask or two is not only blissfully relaxing but also a great skincare step. And today I'll talk about 4 The Body Shop face masks. Let's start.
Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask, British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask, Mediterranean Almond Milk with Oats Instant Soothing Mask, Chinese Ginseng and Rice Clarifying Polishing Mask. There are total 7 variants. Today I will review 4 out of them. They are packed in very heavy and good quality glass bottles, size 75 ml, priced at Rs 2195. They are also available in 15 ml pack, priced at Rs 645. Chinese Ginseng and Rice Clarifying Polishing Mask is 100% vegetarian, creamy exfoliating face mask for skin that needs an intense treatment to remove dullness and unevenness, illuminates evens and revitalizes skin, formulated without parabens, paraffin, silicone or mineral oil. Ideal to create a facial at home. Blended with rice ginseng extracts from China and organic community trade sesame seed oil from Nicaragua. I will apply 3 masks on my hand and 1 on face. It's good to use a spatula for better hygiene. I am using a wooden one. This mask has a very unique texture. Consistency is somewhat thick, milky and also pretty grainy. The thing I like the most about it is it's a multitasker, scrub and mask, 2-in-1. Ginseng gives a slightly sharp but fresh scent. I'll keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. It's dried completely. I'll add a little water and massage in circular motions to loosen it up a bit before rinsing off. It will exfoliate your skin. Skin texture looks better, it brightens up skin tone. This mask works from the first use. If you cannot have a facial, please go for this mask. Mediterranean Almond Milk with Oats Instant Soothing Mask is 100% vegetarian, creamy, comforting face mask with oat milk from UK and community trade organic almond milk from Spain. It's enriched with community trade organic aloe vera from Mexico and community trade shea butter from Ghana. It's suitable for sensitive skin. The color of the mask is off-white. The scent is very light and pleasant. The texture of the mask is very creamy. It's full of very soft oats which are non-scratchy on the skin. There is a slight hint of the almond milk. The mask is very easy to apply and you will just feel like applying a cream. I'll leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. It stays wet throughout the process. It doesn't dry or tighten on the skin. I'm lightly massaging with a little water so that oats will provide a very light exfoliation during the removal process. After removal of the mask, my skin is left feeling soft, hydrated, supple and moisturized. I found this to be quite hydrating and moisturizing. This is excellent for dry and sensitive skin. This Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask is 100% vegan. Its tingling charcoal clay mask absorbs excess oil. This is for the skin that needs extra purification to reveal a healthy, youthful glow, formulated without parabens, paraffin, silicone, or mineral oil. It's packed with bamboo charcoal from the Himalayan foothills, green tea leaves from Japan, and organic community trade tea tree oil from Kenya. It's a clay mask with green tea leaves. The consistency is perfect. It's neither too thick nor runny. This mask changes color during application and after drying. It generally dries within 10 minutes. Wet with a little water to remove it easily. It will give you an extra clean, clear and glowing look, good for oily to normal skin. This British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask is 100% vegan, refreshing gel face mask. It's for skin that needs to be quenched and replumped with moisture to reveal its dewy glow again. Moisturizes, soothes and tones skin. It's formulated without parabens, paraffin, silicone or mineral oil. Ideal to create a facial at home. It's infused with real rose petals, rose essence from Britain, rosehip oil from Chile and organic community trade aloe vera from Mexico. The product is very thin, gel-like consistency. It's easy to spread and smells lovely. It's fresh and floral.
So now I will apply British Rose Fresh Plumping Mask on my face. I have cleaned my face with the Body Shop Vitamin E face wash. Please see the Body Shop face wash review here. Link is in the description box also.
There is no makeup other than lip color. You may use a face mask brush. I will leave it for 30 minutes. The pack is dry. You may feel a little sticky. It took me a little more effort to get rid of it. But once all cleaned up, I could notice my skin visibly hydrated and plump.
So these were 4 masks from the Body Shop. I'll review 2 more face packs and they are from budget range. They are for oily and combination skin. So stay tuned. Till then,